Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing up. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, download and open your Facebook app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in to your Facebook account first. Go to the Facebook app and tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Look for the option Settings and Privacy by scrolling down. Tap the option and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Look for the option Navigation Bar from the Settings menu. Tap on Navigation Bar and select Customize your navigation bar. You can pin 3 things that you use the most for quick access. Also, you can hide those that you don't want to see and customize the navigation bar. You will see Marketplace in the list. Tap it and select Hide from the pop-up menu. You will see the option from the bottom bar, Marketplace Hide. If you want to see Marketplace on the bar, tap on Profile. Tap on Hide from the pop-up menu and the profile icon will hide. Marketplace will show in place of the profile icon on the navigation bar. Go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search Facebook. Tap on the cloud icon with an arrow located below the app name. Go to Settings. Look for the option General and tap on it. In General, scroll down and select your phone storage like iPhone storage. Scroll down again and tap Facebook and offload the app by tapping on Offload App. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.